We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP LaserJet 2420. We're going to show you how to check your toner levels. So if it's either been a while since you replaced your toner and you're just not sure how much is still left, or you have a big print job left or coming up and you want to make sure that you're going to have plenty of toner to actually complete that print job and not run out in the middle of it, we're going to show you how to kind of check that, and that way you don't have to worry about anything, or you know if you need to buy a backup toner just in case. So it's a pretty simple process. What we're going to go to is use the little arrow keys on your menu and scroll down until you find the information tab. Once you find information, you're going to click on the green check mark. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find where it says print supply status page. Once you find that option, go ahead and click the green check mark. And this page is going to give you a lot of useful information as far as the toner cartridge inside the printer and what its levels are at. And that way you don't have to worry about or question anything. So this is going to give you your full status bar, so it's going to actually show you roughly how much toner is left inside with a percentage. Again, that is an approximation, so don't take it for 100% at its word, but it's giving you its best guess. It's also going to show you how many pages have been printed with that cartridge and approximately how many pages are left. So again, if you have a big print job coming up, it should help kind of give you in a ballpark of if you're going to be okay to complete that print job. So there's a lot of useful information on here. If you're still not sure, it's always a good idea to have a backup print cartridge on hand, and if that's the case, feel free to give Onyx a call so we can help you supply that cartridge for you. Other than that, you should be good to go back into printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.